Greetings of the day, everyone. I'm Rajeshri S. Kaul, Food and Beverage Faculty from AISSMS College of Hotel Management. Students, this video is based on food and beverage control, cycle, and the purchasing. This is food and beverage control cycle. The first step of the cycle is policy making, which includes the financial policy, the marketing policy, and the catering policy of the organization. On basis of the policy, the menu requisition or menu indenting will be done by a particular outlet. The purchasing depends on the menu requisition or the indent. Once the purchasing is done, the ingredients are received, they are stored, then issued to various departments, and the production starts. After the product is made, it is sold to various customers and a general feedback is taken from the guest. In this video, we will discuss in details the first step of the control cycle, that is the purchasing. The most important person in a purchase department is purchase manager. Duties of purchase manager are: he is responsible for purchasing all the ingredients. All commodities will be purchased by purchase manager. Purchase manager is also responsible for checking the continuity of supplies. He needs to find cheaper and more efficient supplier for the organization. Purchase manager is also responsible to evaluate a new product in the market. Purchase manager should also do the research of a particular product. He needs to check the price, the trend, the quality of a new product which is launched in the market. Purchase manager should also coordinate with the food production department and the department which are known to sell a particular product. Whatever the reports are generated should be passed on to the senior management. What is the purchasing procedure? The purchasing procedure starts with requisition or indenting. On basis of the requisition and the indent, the purchase manager will select the source of supply and entering into a contract with the supplier with a negotiated price and the delivery terms and conditions. Once the terms and conditions are fixed, the goods will be supplied to the organization. Once the goods are supplied to the organization, the goods should be approved at the receiving and the goods should be transferred to the stores. A supplier selection is also very important task in the purchasing. The supplier should have a good price performance. Cheapest not necessary, but the best quality at a very good rate is the priority. The supplier should also have good quality performance. He needs to supply his goods in consistently manner. The delivery performance of the supplier should also be good. The supplier should be able to comply with meeting the delivery timing, dates, and late delivery should not be accepted. The organization should periodically evaluate the supplier. What is a purchase specification? A purchase specification is a concise description of quality, size, and weight of a particular item. It is decided by members of production team or management team. Copies of purchase specification should be circulated to relevant places. A purchase specification helps in making the standards defined. And this also gives the supplier the detailed instructions about the ingredients which by the organization. Purchasing is done either centralized purchasing or decentralized purchasing. A centralized purchasing means that a single department controls and manages the purchasing for the whole organization. Ideally, a manager oversees the purchasing department regarding what materials need to be purchased and in what quantity. The single purchasing department is generally located in the headquarters. Decentralized purchasing. With this method, rather than leaving the purchasing control with a single department, it is granted to local branches or departments. They have the authority to purchase items which are necessary as per their requirements. So, the purchasing can be done on centralized basis or decentralized basis. Certain pros and cons with regards to centralized purchasing. When it is a centralized purchasing, the purchasing is done in bulk quantities, which can reduce the cost to the organization. Good relations developed with the supplier can lead to better discounts at a particular bargain rate. Since the shipments in centralized purchasing are consolidated, the transport cost is also reduced. Inventory management gets drastically reduced. Duplication of work can be avoided due to centralized purchasing. Policies formulated for purchasing can be maintained uniformly through the centralized purchasing. Since a single department is involved, the quality of material can also be maintained. Centralized purchasing demerits. High initial cost is for the organization. People in charge for purchasing may not be efficient, and this can lead to poor quality of material. If branches are spread out geographically, then centralized purchasing may not be suitable. In case of emergency, work can get delayed. Delay in replacement of defective material is also a demerit in centralized purchasing. If the wrong amount of material is purchased, it will be a loss to the organization as it is purchased in bulk quantity. This slide has a comparison of centralized purchasing and decentralized purchasing. Thus, centralized purchasing is suitable where one or several plants are closely situated. Decentralized purchase is suitable where several plants are distantly situated. For production of different material plants, use of different raw materials, a decentralized purchasing is suitable. Little additional information on EOQ, which means Economic Order Quantity. Economic order quantity is the idle order quantity a company should purchase for its inventory, given a set cost of production, demand rate, and other variables. A supply chain management is the connected network of individuals, organization, resources, activities and technologies involved in the manufacture and sale of a product or service. Supply chain management oversees each touch point of a company's product or service from initial creation to the final sale. Student, with this, I want you to solve a quiz. The quiz link is given in the description box below. Thank you.